Yo, what's good guys? Have you ever seen this transition that TikTok editors use and think to yourself, how can I do that? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to create this transition effect. If you guys enjoy the video, please make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell to turn on notifications. Well, enough talking, and let's jump into the tutorial. Alright guys. First things first, what you want to do is have all your clips in the correct beat. I don't have a song because of copyright issues again, but it's fine. You don't even need a song for this tutorial. Then what you guys want to do is go ahead and pre-compose all of your clips. After you pre-compose all your clips, you want to go ahead and add your Twixtor. You can use the Twixtor that I did for my tutorial. It will make it way smoother. And if you guys don't know my Twixtor, then go into the channel and check out my first tutorial. Alright, after you guys added all your Twixtor, like I did, you want to go ahead. After you guys have all of your Twixtor in your clips, what you guys want to do is right click, go to new, and go to Null Object. Then it will create this little red thing. Then with this little red thing, you guys want to go to your clip, go to this little spiral thing next to your clip, click it and attach it to the null. Then you want to go to the other clip and do the same thing. Click on the little spiral thingy, drag it to the null. Then what you guys want to do is take your second clip and put it on top of your first clip like this. Then you want to go to like the start. Then what you guys want to do is, you see when the second clip starts, you want to go ahead and drag it all the way to the end ish, and it should be, you can check, like if you zoom in you can see how much it is. So I think 180. Yeah, 180 is the correct one, at least for me. It depends on what your composition settings are. Then after you put 180, you want to go to positions on the null, create a position keyframe, then go to the end of your first clip and then drag it. You see how it's 540, so you want to do the opposite. So instead of 540, you want to do negative 540, and then it should be perfectly aligned. And this is how it should look like. See how the clips move together? So yeah, then you guys want to go right here, right click on the position and click separate dimensions. Create separate dimensions. You want to just select the X position because we didn't even change the Y position. Then you guys want to click F9. Then you want to go to the graphs icon. After you go to the graph icon, you want to drag this up to the middle, drag this also to the middle, and it should create like this smooth like slide. The longer your clip is, like this slide, the longer it is, the smoother it's gonna be. If you just do it not even that long, then look, it's not that smooth. So try to do as long as possible so it's smooth like this. And this is how you do it, the normal slide in transition. Now I'll be teaching you guys how to create like a seam between these clips. So to create a seam, what you guys want to do is, instead of putting 1080, you want to have a little gap between it. Don't make the gap too big or else it won't look good. Roughly about this size, as you can see the gap. Then after you do the gap, what you guys want to have to do is go to the null, and you're gonna have to fix it a little bit. Like you see where it says right here, like this box, you want to see if it fits correctly, you know. So go right here and look at the line. So yeah, I think I would say maybe 630 or around that, you know. Doesn't have to be perfect. Maybe I think it was at like this. You can even check over here too. Yep, it's, oh wait, there you go, it was 627. So make sure that's aligned, because if there's like a little like black things over here, your edit is not gonna look good, because you know your edits always want to try to be as perfect as possible. Then what you guys want to do is go right here so you can see where the seam is. After you see the seam, you want to go right here to this little box thing. Then after you go to the box thing, you want to go ahead and create like a box or a rectangle, I guess, not a box. After you create it, then you want to align it to the middle like this. And you see how it doesn't move with the thing. So to make it move, what y'all want to do is do the same thing as the clips. Go to the spiral thing and add it to the null. But here's the catch. You see, you want to go to where it's right in the middle, like where the clip is right in the middle. So like around here, and then you want to like maybe even align a little bit more like this, Then after you do that, you want to put the spiral thing, because then now it's gonna follow perfectly like this. If you just put it like right here, it would stay in the middle, and then it would be just like the first clip. So it's kind of confusing, but yeah, that's how you do it. Then if you want, you can shorten the clip so it doesn't show like this red bar on your thing, on your video, like so it only appears when it moves. You can do that too, like that. You can even, if you want, put like an opacity transition like this. And then what you guys want to do is, let's say if you don't want any texture and you just want the box like this, what you can do is just go right here, add deep glow to it, and then it should look something like this. And then decrease it a little bit, because you know that's too much. And like this, then go right here, drop shadow, BCC drop shadow, go right here, and then it should look something like this. I personally don't like it like this. I want it to have some texture, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add texture. So what you guys want to do is type in turbulent displace, then you want to go right here and make sure turbulent displace is on the top. After you add turbulence displace, as you can see, it's gonna have like this wavy effect. And then so what y'all want to do is keep the amount as like 50, around that, and then just turn down the size a little bit, and like 13. Maybe even add more amounts if you want to have more things, but if you add more amount, decrease the size, probably like 7, and it should have like this, like, you know, texturized effect. And if you even want to add more, then you can go more texture, then you can go right here, emboss, and you can add some emboss. So the sapphire emboss or the BCC emboss. I personally don't like the BCC emboss. I rather use the sapphire emboss. And as you guys can see, it's kind of dark, but if you put the emboss first, it becomes lighter. And you can also change the brightness too, see? So change the brightness up a little bit, not too much, maybe like around here. Bumps and scales, as you can see, it like makes it more defined. Bumps threshold is like how much bumps. I usually don't really change this, doesn't really matter. And this is how smooth the bumps are. I usually, you know, make it not kind of smooth, not that smooth. So then something like this. And you can also, if you want to change the thickness of it, I feel like the thinner the better, you know, but that's you guys, you know. But yeah, I usually do it this thin, maybe even more. It all depends though, like this. And then once it ends, make sure to cut it so it doesn't have that glow effect. So then it's like, it looks something like this once you're done. And also, if you guys want it, like, you see how if you play it, it like moves really fast. Let's say you don't want that. What you guys do is unselect the null. After you unselect the null, make sure not to move the little like timeline cursor. You want to go ahead and pre-compose it. After you pre-compose it, then you want to go and select the null again. Then you see how it doesn't move, like right here, like look over here for example, it doesn't move at all. So if you want to keep that, then just do what I just did. So let's say you guys do want some, like just a little bit. You don't want too much, but you don't want none at all. You go to the composition, then you go to the effects. Then after you go to the effects, then right here, then you guys want to go to the evolution. Put the evolution at 0 in the beginning. After you put it at like the beginning, put it at like 50. And then it should give this, like movement sort of thing like this. You see how it moves a little bit? You can even add more, honestly, maybe like 300. Yeah, and you see how it moves, but it's all to your liking. I usually, I don't know, I put it around 200, not too much but not too little, and let it load. And this is how it looks. But yeah, so then this is the final result. You know, nice and smooth. And also, if you guys want, I usually do this, put opacity 0 at the end so it doesn't just stop, you know, it sort of like fades out. And yeah, this is how you create this like slide null transition, and how you put this like blur, and like not blur but like seam effect. If you guys want to put blur, then it's the same thing, but instead of putting like you put a square, then you put blur and everything. And you don't use like the square, you use an adjustment layer instead, but it's the same thing. And if you guys want to add like text like through it, then you put your text, add null, and then add your effects to the text. It's really easy, and yeah, that's how you create it. Really simple and easy. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell to turn on notifications. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching it until the end.